Reported in the building. Please proceed to the nearest exit and leave the building.
Strobes aren't going off.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? There has been a fire reported in the building. Please proceed to the nearest exit.
I wonder if they're testing. No, it's not focusing. Say 827.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please?
They said it was a false alarm. No, the fire department was just dispatched.
Bill, you're correct. Yeah, go ahead. I have a vendor who's going to come build. Her name is Anna, and her,
Lock up.
name is Matterson.
Must have been doing them something downstairs. Probably not the best idea, since it's a false alarm. 5 minutes later, should one of these tripped or what? Over there, maybe. I don't even have a fire department. The phone fails me. Maybe the smoke by the panel there? Who knows? Come on, dispatch, answer. Finally.
You should drive by at 5:10. I got major construction there. Verify this is just an accidental activation that we're coming. Alarm system. Next one's clear. Yeah, I copy day one.
I don't see him yet. But we're gonna need to move. I don't see anything. Oh. You do have a custom alarm on site. So they're doing something. Damn fucking glasses on. I still don't see the fire truck. I don't see engine one. Maybe I already did drive by. Waited forever for the elevator and then got on second and a woman took forever to get on. Oop, got someone just closing the van doors there for the custom alarm. Might be doing something on second. Is that a fire unit? Could have been. Oh, it sounded like fire truck door closing. It might not have been. I don't see them. Maybe they just did a drive-by. And I don't have my glasses on. They're up there in the apartment. Didn't have real time to look for them. Not seeing much else, so end this one. Thanks for watching.